Hi, in this video we will go through the different ways of creating and adding properties to a concept. Properties are added to a concept to represent the metadata of a concept the same way that column names represent data in a table. Properties can be added to an existing concept by editing that concept, or they can be added to a brand new concept. In this case, we are creating a new concept. Now that we've given our concept a name and a description, we are ready to add properties to our concept. Whether we are editing a concept or creating a new one, there are three ways to visually add properties. The first way is to simply choose relevant properties from the list of properties that already exist in the knowledge graph. The second way is to click on Create New Property, give the property a name, and choose its type. Of course, there are additional options such as defining the property as a multi-value property, defining the property as a primary key or entity label, which we will review in depth in a different video. For now, we will click on Add to add the property to the concept and move on to the third and final way to add properties. The third and final way to visually add properties to the concept is by clicking on Import. Import allows us to import our properties directly from our datasets. So we'll go ahead and choose our data source, the schema, and the table we would like to import its columns as properties of our concept. Great. Once they appear, we can remove any properties we aren't interested in. We can also edit the property names to give a better semantic meaning to the property, or change the type of a property in case the original column type in the table doesn't fit our needs. In these cases, Timbr will automatically apply a cast function on the original table column and correct the data type according to the type we chose in the model. Now that we're satisfied, let's click on Import Columns, and there you go. We now see the concept properties that were imported from our data source. At any point, we can easily edit our properties by clicking the wrench symbol next to the property we'd like to edit. We'll make our changes, save them, and we're done.